Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach how to draw Navigator Colette from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna begin with drawing her goggles, and I'm gonna draw a long rectangular shape at that corner. And on the right side of that rectangular shape, diagonal line downwards and to the right from the upper corner, diagonal line upwards to the right from the lower corner, a line downwards at the outer corner on the right. On the right side of that, at the upper corner, short line out to the right, turn it downwards, turn it diagonally in and to the left. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a short line across in the middle point. On the left side at the upper corner, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards, same is going to turn to the left, a line across to the left, same is going to turn back downwards, a line downwards and slightly to the left, turn it diagonally to the right and downwards, curved line across to the right and same turn upwards. Now inside of the goggle, I'm going to draw her eye with a curved line upwards from the inner corner, an arch curved line to the right, turn it back downwards at the outer corner of the eye. I'm going to thicken the outer corner of the eye at this upper point. Now for her eyelashes, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally out on the right corner right there, sharp turn back inwards at this upper point. Fill in that space with black color. For the lower line of her eye, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line upwards to the right at the lower right corner right there, and I'm going to thicken the middle point of that line. Inside of the eye on the left corner, I'm going to draw her pupil with a small oval shape and fill that in with black color. And above the eye on the top left corner, I'm going to draw a triangular shape for her eyebrow and fill that in with black color. At the inner corner of her goggles, I'm going to draw the right side of her hair with curved line diagonally up and to the left. And above that, I'm going to draw a similar curved line and turn it further at the lower point. And below that, I'm going to draw her face shape with curved line downwards. Same is going to turn diagonally to the left, curved line across on her chin to the left, and turn it back diagonally upwards on the left side of her face. Now at the side of her face, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line upwards to the right, all the way to the earpiece. And for the left side of her hair, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards from the upper point, diagonally to the left and downwards. Curl it outwards to the left at the lower point. Sharp turn back upwards and inwards, flare it back slightly out and curved line upwards at that corner. And on the left side of that hair, I'm going to draw a curved line outwards to the left and slightly upwards, sharp turn back to the right and slightly upwards, and above that a similar curved line out and up, sharp turn back to the right, curved line across with an arch curved line to the middle of her head. On the right side of her head, curved line diagonally to the right and downwards, and above her head on the top right corner, another similar curved line across all the way to the left side of her head right there. Above that curved line on the right corner, a line diagonally up to the right, turn it downwards diagonally at that corner, turn it to the left and downwards. Above that shape, I'm going to draw another piece of hair with curved line upwards, slightly to the left, sharp turn diagonally down to the left. Now going back to her face, I'm going to draw her nose with curved line across in the middle of her face. And from the same point at the side, another curved line across to the right and stretch it downwards in the middle point. Now below her nose, I'm going to draw her mouth with curved line across, semicircle turn to the middle point from both sides. Turn it diagonally down and curved line across in the middle of the mouth. Turn it back diagonally up on the right corner. Inside of the mouth, I'm going to draw her teeth from the middle point at the upper corner, diagonal line downwards to the left and to the right. Zigzag line across to the side of the mouth. Below her chin on the left corner, short line out to the left, turn it downwards, sideways to the right, turn it downwards, sideways to the right, and turn it diagonally up to the right. On the right side of that ending point, I'm going to draw a line downwards. And on the right side of her chin, a line across to the right, semicircle turn downwards. Inside of that shape on the right corner, I'm going to draw a line up, sideways to the left, turn it back downwards on the left corner. Below that shape, I'm going to draw a line across to the right, semicircle turn on her elbow point back to the left, curved line diagonally up on the left corner, curved line upwards and slightly to the right. Extend the line from the right to that ending point diagonally to the left. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a line downwards in the middle point on the right, sharp turn to the left, sharp turn downwards and slightly to the right. On the left side of that shape, I'm going to draw a short line out in the middle point right there, curved line upwards and slightly to the right, semicircle turn to the right. On the right side of that, I'm going to draw a curved line right there, turn it to the right. Below that shape on the left corner, I'm going to draw a semicircle line at that point, and on the left side of that semicircle line, diagonal line out to the left, U curved line to the right, turn it back diagonally up to the right. On the right side of that, at the lower point, curved line across to the right. Below that shape at the outer corner on the left, diagonal curved line to the left and downwards, turn it downwards to the right, curved line across to the right and upwards. Above that shape at the outer corner, curved line upwards, semicircle turn diagonally to the side of her face, and below her face I'm going to draw a short line downwards, curved line diagonally to the right. Above that shoulder, I'm going to draw the hair at the back of her head with diagonal curved line upwards at that corner. And on the right side of that, from her shoulder, curved line downwards at that point. Below her right sleeve, I'm going to draw a curved line at the outer corner right there, and another similar curved line on the right side of that. At the ending point below, I'm going to draw a oval shape at that corner, and along the outer corner of that oval shape, I'm going to draw another bigger oval shape. And I'm going to leave a gap at the lower point of that, and at that gap, a line downwards from both ending points at the side, curved line across at that corner. At the side of the shape on the right, I'm going to draw a line out on the right side, sharp turn diagonally down to the left, semicircle turn to the left. Inside of that shape in the middle point, I'm going to draw a line across. Mirror that same set of shape on the left side. Above that shape on the left, diagonal curved line upwards, And below that shape, curve line across to the right and slightly downwards, curve line across to the right, semicircle turn upwards, and curve line all the way back up to the other arm. Inside of that, I'm going to draw a curve line diagonally up from the lower point, sharp turn sideways to the left and slightly upwards, curve line upwards. Below her arm on the right, I'm going to draw her leg with a curve line downwards, flare it out and turn it back downwards, curve line across to the left. For the inner line of the leg, I'm going to copy and mirror the same shape at that corner. Below the leg, at the side, I'm going to draw a curve line out, semicircle turn downwards, and I'm going to do the same thing for the right side of her leg right there. Flare it slightly out below her ankle point, and curve line across from the left corner all the way to the right. Above the base of the shoe, at the side, I'm going to draw a curve line across, an arch curve line in the middle point, curve line across on the right corner. Below that set of line, I'm going to draw a long rectangular shape across at that corner, and above, I'm going to draw a line across at that point, turn it downwards and inwards on both sides, curve line across at the lower point. Now for her left leg, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards on the left corner, semicircle turn diagonally to the left and downwards, curve line across and slightly upwards to the left, curve line up diagonally to the right, semicircle turn to the right, turn it upwards at that corner and slightly to the left, semicircle turn upwards. Along the outer corner of that leg, I'm gonna trace the same line right there and another one on the right side of that. Now for her boots, I'm gonna draw a curve line out on both sides of the leg, turn it diagonally down to the left, semicircle turn downwards on the left corner right there, curve line across to the right, turn it upwards diagonally to the left, and I'm gonna extend the line from the top to that ending point. Inside of the boots on the right corner, an arch curve line across to the left, curve line across to the left side. Below that set of line on the right corner, I'm gonna draw a long rectangular shape right there. And above that, I'm gonna draw a curve line across on the right corner, turn it downwards, turn it diagonally in and to the right on the left corner, curve line across at the lower point. Now below her arms on the right, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards at that corner and another curve line on the right side of that. Curve line to the right, sharp turn to the left, turn it downwards, curve line across to the left and curve line upwards. And on the left side of that, I'm going to draw a semi-oval shape. And I'm going to leave a gap at the lower point. And at that gap, turn it downwards on both sides, a line across at the lower point. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a smaller semi-oval shape in the middle point. And at the side, a line out to the right, turn it downwards, curve line to the left. Inside of that shape in the middle point, a line across. Mirror that same shape on the left side. On the left side of her thigh, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards and to the left, sideways to the right, turn it diagonally up to the right, and turn it upwards. Inside of that shape, at the lower point, I'm going to draw a line across, and above that line on the right corner, a line upwards at that point. And finally, I'm gonna draw a thick line along the outer edges. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!